I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on Instacart, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Select security settings. Scroll down and find the security section in the settings menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the Instacart link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of your account and then log back in using your fingerprint or facial recognition to ensure it works. If it doesn't, double check that your device's biometric settings are enabled. Now you're all set to use biometric login on Instacart. If you run into any issues, just revisit the security settings to make sure everything is properly configured. Happy shopping!